Hey guys, and welcome to the Family Fudge. I have been working on a huge bedroom makeover for Jackson, and he's about to see it for the first time. Okay guys, you can come in now.
Whoa! Look at this! Whoa! Look at that!
But to get to this point, I have to take you back to over 2 weeks ago when we started on this whole makeover process. Now, for Jackson's birthday, I knew I wanted to give him his own bedroom. So far, he's been sharing a Mickey Mouse themed bedroom with his little brother. But whenever I asked Jackson what style or theme he wanted for his new room, he couldn't really give me an answer. It was just a lot of,
I don't know. Anything, I guess. Whatever is fine. I don't really know about decorations.
So to get some real ideas on style, we both headed to Hobby Lobby. Now, Jackson is a pretty chill guy, and he'd probably be just fine with just a bed and a TV in his room and nothing else. But I really wanted to create a special space for him, a place that would feel more grown up, a place where he could do his schoolwork, and a place where he could feel cozy. In the end, Jackson decided on sort of a mountainy, foresty, adventure-y theme for his room. And after that, the real work started. The room that Jackson's moving into used to be the playroom, and this was shared by all the kids. It was very colorful, it had lots of toys, an entertainment center, and it's actually a really nice sized room. But one of the reasons it has been a playroom and not a bedroom so far is because it doesn't have a closet. So what we decided to do is purchase a second-hand wardrobe. This originally came from IKEA. And we also purchased a used loft bed. We were able to save a ton of money by getting both of these things used and by also reusing a lot of the furniture pieces we already owned. The walls in this room were looking pretty dingy, so that's when Jackson and I got out the paint. When we moved into this house, the previous owners left us this paint. And these are the actual colors used throughout the house. Now, since we actually like these colors and we already have this paint, we decided to go ahead and use it. On this wall, we used a slightly darker accent color called Gray Cloud by Sherwin-Williams. And for the rest of the walls, we just added a fresh coat of the same paint that was already there. This is called Drift of Mist, also by Sherwin-Williams. And you guys, even though this is the exact same paint color over here, a fresh coat just helps make the entire room look new and clean. Once we had all of the painting done, we left it alone for the next day. And you guys, it was at this point that we kicked Jackson out because I really wanted this room reveal to be a big surprise for him. Okay guys, I just finished putting the last finishing touches in the room, And you guys, I'm so sorry about the lighting at this point since it is getting pretty late into the evening. I know this lighting is not ideal, but we're going to work with it. Now, after a couple of weeks of planning, shopping, and putting it all together, it all comes down to this moment.
Whoa! Yes! Whoa! Look at that! Whoa!
What do you think so far?
Cool.
So here's your little work area where you can do your schoolwork.
I'm up on the bed!
You check out the lights? Guess what? Those lights have a remote. So you can just grab it down, press the red button. See what happens.
No, those turn off.
Press the red button.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, green button.
Blue and white. It's a disco party.
Isn't that cool?
I want to go to it.
You got a little bear over there.
I know me the bear.
You got some cool pictures over here. Okay, good night.
Yes.
You can reach your alarm clock right there.
Nice. An alarm clock.
So you can turn it off right up there.
And he never needs to steal Daddy's headphones because he has his own pair.
Yep, there's new headphones. Who's gonna try the beanbag? All of your old blankets are in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ooh, it does.
What do you think, Jack?
Good.
Is it a big thumbs up?
And did you notice the fan's different? The fan's different.
Yeah, it's little so it won't chop your head off when you get out of your bed.
Nice. What's that? It's really small but super powerful.
Jackson, did you see this? You can keep all your darts in there. You want to check out your new closet? Inside we have all of these bins where you can keep your socks, undies, all that kind of stuff. You can put your books in there, your toys. Okay, now go ahead and open it up. Yeah. We're gonna hang your clothes over there, extra blankets over here, and your dirty laundry right there. And then there's still more room down at the bottom for your toys and things like that. Now, if you missed Lily's room makeover, we will link that video down below. And of course, when it's Mackenzie's birthday, she's getting a room makeover too. And we'll share that video with you as well. Are you excited? I can't wait to do your room. It's gonna be so cool. Do we give it a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Thumbs up. I think it looks awesome. Now, Jackson, are you gonna keep it clean? You better keep it clean.
Okay.
You don't know how to get down? Don't fall. Come on, I'll get you. Oh, I got you. You can get down. Yeah. Jackson, out of everything in your room, what is your favorite part?
I don't know. The yellow stencil? Probably this part.
This little part? This is cool. It's like your own little apartment.
I love my new room. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. See you next time.